Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Going to do some basic operations on strings. First, concatenation. Concatenation means adding of two strings. Example, here I type hello plus space world, then enter. You can see these both strings are added and printed in the next line. And next, multiplying the strings. Example, there is a string hello world. I want to print it 3 times. Hello world into 3. You can see here hello world, hello world, hello. And another operation is joining. Joining a string in between a sequence. I'll join double hash in between a string. Join of string hello, welcome to pi, welcome to pi file and channel. Welcome to file and channel. Now if you press enter, you can see between W and E there is double slash, between E and L like that, between every 2 characters the double hash was printed. This is how join works. Here you can see the syntax hash dot join of string. లేదు చేస్తాను ఇంకా ఆపేది పాస్ చేశాను. ఇంకా 8 ఆపరేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. యాడింగ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ Now we will go to script mode. You can iterate through a string, whole string. Means we can iterate a single character from the whole string by using a loop called for loop. There is 2 types of loops, for and while loop. First we will discuss about for loop. Here the syntax is for I, means you can take here any character. I am taking I in range. In range means you can go through a number. First I will show you in range. In range of 1, 101. Why I take here 101 means if we give 100 it will go up to 99. Means here what the range will do, it will produce a sequence of numbers from 1 to the nth number, nth minus 1th number. Here if it is 201, it will go produce a sequence up to 200. You can also specify another thing called step. If you give here 4, first it will produce 1, after it will go to 4 steps and give next number. Without step I will first show you how it will work. And print of I. Now let us run this. Here you can see from 1 to 100 numbers it was printed. Means the range produced a sequence of 1 to 100 numbers, and each number assigned to I, and that I was printed. And if I give here step is I will giving 5. Now run this. You can see first 1 was printed. After 5 steps it is 6. 6 was printed. After 5 steps it was 11. 11 was printed. After 5 steps it was up to like that it was printed up to 96. Why it not printed 100? If you see, uh, if we add 5 it will 101, but we fixed up to 100 only, so it not printed 101. Why it was 101? 100. Why it was 100 means if we give 101 it will take up to 100 only, so that's why it's printed up to 100 only, in the range between 100. Now go to while loop. While is a condition based loop. Means here while some condition, while y is less than 100, 101, I will print of I, but here we should not initialize I, so I will initialize I is equals to some 1. So let us, if we not increment I, means add 1 to I, this become a while loop, infinity loop. First I will show you, if we not incrementing I is equals to 1, while I is less than 101. 1 is always less than 101, so it will print 1. And again go to start and again check I is again 1, so it keep on going like that. So if I increment I plus or equals to 1. Here plus or equals to means slash means comments. We can give comments, means explanatory note in between our programs. So it's what this I plus 1 represents, means I is equals to I plus 1. This is what this I plus or equals to 1 plus and equals to 1 means. So let us run this. You can see this also produces a sequence of 1 to 100. Means first it was checked for 1, it was 2, it was printed I, and I was incremented to 2, means 1 plus 1 2. Again for 2 it was checked, the condition is true, so I printed 2. Like that is up to 100, and after that 100 it was added 1 to it, 101. 101 less than 101, it's false, so it was ended the program. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel Pylan.